This video will demonstrate how to add items to your cart. Let's get started. Let's say that your project will be finished with the classic blend in the color Montana Moss. You'll need to purchase one 40-pound bag of Heritage Blend for the base coat, one 40-pound bag of Classic Blend for the finish, and you'll need one Montana Moss pigment. And this is how you do it. All right, we're inside the Plaster portal, and now we're going to go up to this drop-down menu, and we're going to click Accessories, Supplies, and we're going to search for that first 40-pound bag of Heritage Blend. So we're going to scroll down here. Here we go, we have Heritage. So we're going to select an option. We want the 40-pound bag. We're going to click Add to Cart. And now we need one 40-pound bag of Classic Blend. So we're going to X out of that. And right beneath that is Classic Blend. We're going to click the sizes, add 40-pound bag, and then click Add to Cart. Boom, that's there. We're going to X that out. And now we need one Montana Moss pigment. So we're going to scroll down. We don't want the sample pigment. We know what we want, so we're going to click Pigments here. We're going to select colors. Then we're going to scroll down through all these options because we want Montana Moss. Click that, and then click Add to Cart. And these items are added to the cart. If instead of Montana Moss, you have curated a custom color with our team, then select Custom Color Pigment in the Colors drop-down menu and email the color specialist of your selection after checkout. This is how you do that. All right, we're back at the supplies page, and we're going to scroll down until we find pigments. Here it is. Let's click on it. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to select colors here, and we're going to click Confirm Custom Color. So let's confirm. Let's add this to the cart. All right, we're here in the cart, and what you're going to do is you're going to email colors@newageartisans.com, and you're going to let us know what custom color you chose. There is no need to add primary aggregate or olive oil soap. Our team will include the requisite amounts for both, complementary to your blends order. Now, let's review what's in the cart and double check to make sure that you have everything you need. All right, let's click on the cart. And it looks like we have everything we need here. Be sure to double check the quantity that you need. And make sure, again, that you've emailed colors@newageartisans.com if you have a custom color. And let's continue to checkout. So this is your basic checkout screen. You're going to enter your email, shipping address, street address, and all the other goods. Here you're going to enter your payment info. And this is another good opportunity to double check to make sure you have everything you need. And then we're going to place order. All right, that should do it. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to call us so we can assist you further. Thanks.